The Bajaj Avenger Street 220 is a motorcycle designed for those who love the thrill of cruising. It's not just a bike, it's a statement of freedom and individuality. With its sleek, blacked-out design and low-slung stance, the Avenger Street 220 exudes a bold, modern charm. Perfectly tailored for both city commutes and long highway rides, this cruiser redefines comfort and style. Powered by a 220cc, single-cylinder, air-cooled DTSI engine with an oil cooler, the Avenger Street 220 delivers 19.03 PS of power at 8,500 RPM and 17.55 Nm of torque at 7,000 RPM. The refined engine ensures smooth performance, whether you're weaving through city traffic or cruising at higher speeds on the open road. The 5-speed gearbox provides seamless gear shifts, enhancing the overall riding experience. The bike features a comfortable, well-padded single-piece seat designed for long hours on the road. Its low seat height and wide handlebars ensure a relaxed riding posture, making it a perfect companion for extended journeys. The pillion is not left behind, thanks to a supportive backrest that adds to their comfort. Combined with its forward-set footpegs, the Avenger Street 220 is designed to reduce rider fatigue, even on the longest rides. Suspension duties are handled by telescopic forks at the front with a double anti-friction bush and twin shock absorbers at the rear. This setup effectively absorbs road imperfections, ensuring a smooth ride on all terrains. The braking system includes a disc brake at the front and a drum brake at the rear, providing reliable stopping power and confidence during your rides. Its 17-inch alloy wheels, paired with tubeless tires, offer excellent grip and stability, whether on city streets or winding highways. The Avenger Street 220 comes equipped with a digital analog instrument cluster. It provides all the essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel levels, and trip details. The headlamp features a halogen bulb with LED DRLs, offering exceptional visibility while enhancing the bike's aesthetics. With a fuel tank capacity of 13 liters and a ground clearance of 169 millimeters, the Avenger Street 220 is both practical and stylish. At an on-road price of 1 rupee and 40 paise to 1.50 lakh rupees, the Bajaj Avenger Street 220 is an affordable cruiser that doesn't compromise on performance or features. Its low maintenance costs and fuel efficiency make it a practical choice for everyday commuting as well as long-distance travel. The bike's reliability and robust build ensure a hassle-free ownership experience for years to come. The Avenger Street 220 is more than just a bike, it's a lifestyle choice. It caters to riders of all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned motorcyclists. Its customization options, including saddle bags, crash guards, and custom seats, allow you to make it uniquely yours. Whether you're hitting the road solo or taking a partner along for the ride, this motorcycle promises an unforgettable journey. With its bold design, powerful engine, and unmatched comfort, the Bajaj Avenger Street 220 is ready to take on any adventure. If you're looking for a cruiser that blends style, performance, and affordability, this bike is the perfect choice. So, gear up, hit the road, and let the Avenger Street 220 redefine your riding experience. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.